But Tusi, you having fun, huh? You having fun, huh? Oh, wait a minute. Hello, back. I'm back, y'all. No more? Why not? Well, you wasn't being filmed. All right, so anyway, here we go. All right, it's a loving family. You on the show again, ma'am. You on the show again. It's Facebook Live. What's your name again? I forgot. Tajay. That's her name. I better not forget it. If I forget, I'll rewind the tape. All right. Nice meeting you once again. All right. So, disregard the music in the background, y'all. Okay. This is Eva. Hey, Eva. On the show. All right. All right. We got y'all on Facebook Live. Oh, yeah. AT, y'all on the Facebook Live. Hey, Jill, you on the show. All right. All right. So, Kelly, anything you want to say? It's the show. Facebook Live this time. All right. All right. Huh? Oh, there it is. What is that? Oh, Bally's. Oh, I see it. All right. So, anyway, y'all, yeah, it's a graduation party. Sister celebrating somebody's graduation. Hello there. All right. You don't want to be on the show, huh? All right, I ain't gonna put you on the show. I already put you on the show. No. All right. So. All right. All right. So let's go see. How's it going over here? Okay. So we're gonna and I'm pretty sure Jakaya gonna watch this. I hope Jakaya watching. Okay. So while y'all can keep bouncing while I talk to the audience. So anyway, so anyway, ladies and gentlemen, what was this? All right, so y'all, wait a minute. Let me flip this. On the next segment, I'm gonna flip this, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm gonna turn the camera sideways. So I'm ready to turn the camera sideways, y'all. So look at the next segment.